Dreaming of smoother, shinier hair or a perfectly groomed beard, all without the chemicals? Unlock the secret to natural, flawless hair and beard care with this simple, all-natural oil recipe. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and I can't wait to share this DIY recipe with you. Today we're making a rosemary mint hair and beard oil packed with powerhouse natural ingredients. It hydrates, softens, and tames hair while leaving it smelling amazing. Plus, it's super easy to make, so you can skip the store-bought products filled with chemicals and make something pure and effective instead. At Simply Earth, we believe making natural products should be fun and simple. With our Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get all the ingredients delivered to your door each month. Plus, when you subscribe, you'll also receive our free big bonus box filled with extra tools and supplies to make DIYing even easier. Or you can grab all your ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Most store-bought hair and beard oils are loaded with artificial fragrances and chemicals you don't want on your skin. But with this DIY rosemary mint hair and beard oil, you'll know what's inside: pure, nourishing ingredients that work without the toxins. So turn off all distractions and grab your box. Take a deep breath and let's make this simple, luxurious oil together. It's self-care at its best. Here's what you'll need from your Simply Earth recipe box: 2.5 teaspoons of argan oil. This deeply hydrates and adds shine. 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. This is lightweight and nourishing. 8 drops rosemary essential oil. This promotes hair health and growth. 4 drops of spearmint essential oil. This soothes the scalp and adds a fresh scent. From your home, you will need a 1-ounce bottle. I got this one from simplyearth.com. Now let's put it all together. In a small bowl, mix argan oil, fractionated coconut oil, and essential oils. Pour the mixture into your bottle. Rub a few drops between your hands and apply it to the ends of your hair or beard to smooth and hydrate. For a deep conditioning treatment, use it as a hot oil hair mask. Your hair will thank you. Wow, my hair feels so silky and nourished. This is pure magic in a bottle. See how easy that was? If I can make this rosemary mint hair and beard oil, you can too. When you make this recipe, take a photo and share it with #IMadeThis. Tag from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social pages. For more fun and simple natural DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, and don't forget to check out the next videos on your screen for more easy, toxin-free recipes.